Hello everyone, welcome back to Yoruba Life TV. In our previous videos, we learned how to spot the subtle signs of a spiritual attack. We also learned how to tell the difference between a real spiritual issue and just normal bad luck. But knowing about the problem isn't enough. We need to be able to protect ourselves. We need to build a strong spiritual shield around us, our homes, and our families. Today, we are going to talk about practical daily practices you can use to build and maintain this shield. These aren't just for when you feel under attack. These are for every single day to keep your energy clean and your spirit safe. Building a spiritual shield is about being proactive, not just reactive. It's about empowering yourself so that negative energy has no place to settle. Now, let's start with your physical space, because our home is a reflection of our spiritual state. A clean and tidy home is the first layer of your spiritual shield. Think of it this way. A messy, dusty house is a perfect place for negative energy to hide. A clean, organized house is bright and it keeps that energy out. So make it a habit to keep your living space clean. Sweep the floors. Wipe down the surfaces regularly. When you clean, you do it with intention. As you are sweeping, imagine you are sweeping away not just the dirt, but also any negative or heavy energy that has settled in your home. After you are physically cleaned, you can do a spiritual cleansing. You can use things like sea salt and water to wash your floors. As you wash, you can pray to your Orisha to cleanse your home of all negativity. Open your windows and doors to let in fresh air and sunlight. The sun from the source of Olodumare is a powerful purifier. This simple act can instantly lift the energy in your house. Now, let's talk about the practices you can do for yourself on a daily basis. Your personal energy is the core of your spiritual shield. Start and end your day with prayers, with Iwure. Speak to Olodumare, your Ori, and your ancestors, and your Orisha. Tell them your hopes and your fears. Ask for their guidance and protection for the day ahead. This simple act of connection is one of the most powerful tools you can have. Now, never forget the importance of your Ori and your ancestors. Your Ori is your destiny and your personal Orisha. Honoring it every morning is like fortifying your personal power. Your ancestors are your spiritual foundation. They are there to protect you. Take time to pour gin on the floor for them. Speak their names and ask for their support. Now, let's talk about the power of words. Be very mindful of what you say. The words you speak are called ashe. They have power. So speak positive words over yourself and your life. Do not curse yourself or others. The words you use can either build your spiritual shield or weaken it. Focus on words of gratitude, blessings, and empowerment. There are also specific items you can use to help fortify your spiritual shield. These are not magic. They are tools that focus your intention and connect you to the spiritual world. Now, let's talk about wearing white clothes. In Yoruba spirituality, Wearing white is a sign of purity and respect for the Orisha. White reflects light and spiritual energy, and it can help you protect yourself. You don't have to wear white every day, but wearing it for specific prayers or when you feel spiritually vulnerable can be very helpful. So, let's talk about having a personal shrine. Your personal shrine is a sacred space in your home where you connect with your ancestors and the Orishas. This shrine acts as a powerful anchor for positive energy and a fort for protection. It is a place where you can go for guidance and where you can focus your prayers and intentions. Building a spiritual shield is a continuous practice. It is not a one-time thing you do when a problem arises. It is a lifestyle for intention, cleanliness, and constant connection with the spiritual world. By living a life of good character, keeping your space clean, and engaging in these daily practices, you make yourself a difficult target for any negative energy. You become a light that darkness cannot touch. I would love to hear from you. What daily practices do you use to protect your energy and your home? Share your thoughts and prayers in the comment section below so that others can learn from you. In my next video, we will dive into a very important topic: what to do when all else fails. We will discuss when it's time to seek professional help from a trusted Babalawo or Iyanifa and how to prepare for that. You will have all the information you need to handle any situation. Thank you for joining me today. May your path be clear and your spiritual shield be strong. Ashe.